For the cream cheese, we are going to take full fat milk in a pan and let it simmer. At this point, we are going to add vinegar. For this recipe, I have taken about 4 cups of full fat milk and about 3 tablespoons of vinegar, which you have to add in batches of 2. As you can see in the video that the milk has started to curdle and the whey and the cheese has separated, so we know that the cream cheese is ready. Transfer the cheese in a sieve which is lined with either a cheesecloth or a handkerchief for about 15 minutes. When the cheese has cooled down and the water has strained, transfer the cheese in a food processor and process it until it is smooth. If your cream cheese is not smooth, you can add a tablespoon of fresh cream. Here you can see the consistency of the cheese when pressed with a spoon. Your homemade cream cheese is ready. For the base of the cheesecake, take any biscuit you fancy in a food processor. I have taken Marigold, but take about 125 grams of biscuit. And I have added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Process the biscuit in the food processor until a fine powder is produced like this. Add about 40 grams of melted butter and mix it with a spoon or your hands until a wet sand consistency, as you can see in this video. Now take a springform pan and add the biscuit base. It is important to use a springform pan because it ensures that the cheesecake is released with ease when it is completed. Now take a cup and press it on the biscuit base so that a smooth base is achieved. Now place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now we can move on to the next components of the cheesecake. Now warm up some cream and add about 2 teaspoons of gelatin and give this mixture a stir until the gelatin is dissolved, and keep it aside for the gelatin to bloom. Now take 4 ounces of whipping cream and beat it until stiff peaks are achieved. You can use an electric beater or a whisk for this process. The whipping cream that I used already had sugar in it. If yours doesn't, add sugar according to your taste. At this stage of stiff peak consistency, we are going to work on combining all the elements for the cheesecake together. Take the cream cheese in a separate bowl and use spatula to soften it. Combine the softened cream cheese with the whipped cream using cut and fold method as shown in the video. Just cut in the middle and fold on either sides. Now add the bloom gelatin in this mixture and finish the mixing process with an electric beater. I have divided this cheesecake mix into 3 halves. You can use any flavor for your cheesecake. I have decided to use blueberry crush to flavor my cheesecake. Therefore, I am going to add different amounts of blueberry crush to achieve an ombre look. This is totally optional. You can add the flavoring directly to the whole cheesecake mix. You can use strawberry crush, mango puree as well. I have taken out my biscuit base from the freezer and I am adding the first layer. Give 15 minutes of setting time between each layer by placing it in the freezer. Here you can see me pouring the second layer of the cheesecake, which is lighter than the previous layer. And finally the last layer, which is plain white. Finally, decorate the top of your cheesecake and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours so that the gelatin helps the cake to set. Finally, demold the cake and enjoy! Subscribe to my channel, comment below, and don't forget to share this easy recipe with your friends. Bye bye, see you in my next video.